In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gantt chart in Wrike. Whether you're a project manager, team leader, or a productivity enthusiast, understanding Gantt charts can significantly enhance your ability to plan and track tasks. Let's dive in and take a step-by-step look at how you can effectively utilize this tool within the Wrike platform. First, you'll want to head over to your Wrike dashboard. This is your main canvas where you have access to all your projects and tasks. If you're not already on the dashboard, take a moment to navigate there, as it is the starting point for accessing the Gantt chart feature. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top of the interface. Here, you'll see a tab labeled View. Clicking this tab is crucial as it opens up a variety of viewing options that Wrike provides for managing your projects. The interface might initially feel a bit overwhelming due to the numerous features, but focusing on the View tab simplifies navigation. After selecting View, you'll see an array of different ways to visualize your project data. The option we're interested in is the Gantt chart, a classic project management tool that visually represents your project timeline. Click on Gantt chart to open up that specific view. This chart is invaluable for observing the chronological flow of your tasks over time, showing both start and end dates, which makes it easier to manage deadlines and dependencies. Now that you have the Gantt chart open, you'll see your tasks laid out in a timeline format. To make this chart really work for you, you'll need to create tasks or projects if you haven't done so already. Look for the Create button, which allows you to add new tasks directly within the Gantt chart view. Clicking on this button is your next step. Creating tasks in the Gantt chart view will automatically position them on the timeline, according to their start and due dates. This visual alignment of tasks clarifies what needs to be done and when, along with the dependencies between each task. If you're working with a team, this visual representation can also help everyone understand their roles and how different tasks interrelate. As a tip, while adding your tasks, consider breaking large tasks into smaller, more manageable ones. This technique helps not only in organizing labor, but also in making the project less intimidating and more achievable. Adding precise start and due dates will also greatly enhance the effectiveness of your Gantt chart, ensuring that your project timeline is as realistic as possible. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can begin to leverage the power of Gantt charts in Wrike to streamline your project management process. Don't hesitate to explore the various features Wrike offers within the Gantt view, such as adjusting timelines or adding dependencies, to further enhance your project planning efforts. Happy planning!